list. I can't do this anymore. Yeah. But it still doesn't work anyway.
Corrupt converter says ha ha ha.
Ugh. Unbound. Cannot access local variable odd average where it is not associated with a value.
Corrupt converter says just put a list here.
Oh wait, I wrote, oh my god, now I wrote card average, odd average instead of odd list. It's another mistake. It's supposed to, god damn it. There. Odd list. This is too much.
Low 2001 says LMAOOO.
Wait, now it's broken again. Like, how many problems can there be? Name odd list is not defined. Yeah, it is. Oh wait, odd. I called it oddist. Are you guys noticing all these oddist instead of odd list? Oh wait, now we're odd kissed. Odd. No. List.